Arduino lessons variable visibility. Variables in the Arduino IDE are divided into global and local. Global variables are available for reading and writing anywhere in the program, in any of its functions. And local variables can only be accessed in the function or loop where they are declared. Global variables are declared in the program text outside of functions and before all expressions and functions within which they are planned to be accessed. If you declare a variable in the program text after the function where it is called, the compiler will generate an error. In this case, the loop function does not know anything about the existence of the variable g, since it's declared below in the program text. Now you can subscribe to the channel, and we'll go on. In the programming process, an overlay can occur when two variables with the same name are declared global and local. In this case, the compiler will not generate an error. And a variable with this name, after declaring it in a function, will store new values only until the end of the execution of this function, and globally will leave the old value. Perhaps this property will be useful to someone, but if you didn't plan such collisions in your program, then carefully name your variables. In this example, in the loop function, the pin1 variable stores the value 13, and in the setup function, the value is 12. Also in the Arduino IDE, you should take into account the following feature. Variables declared in the for loop or in other loops enclosed between curly quotes will be visible only inside this loop. So the variable j in the example will be visible only between these curly quotes. It's also worth remembering that local variables are created only for the duration of each execution of the function in which they are declared, and are destroyed each time at the end of its execution. But, if you need a variable that should be visible only in a specific function, and at the same time should retain its value between calls to this function, then you need to declare such a local variable with the static prefix before its data type. In the example, the function myfunc1 will return the number 1 on each call, and myfunc2 on each call will return a number 1 more than the previous call. And now let's sum up the material covered. Variables must be declared in the program text no lower than the expressions in which they participate, only higher. Local variables are used only inside functions and inside for loops and others, while global variables can be read and changed in any program function. Local variables have short-term memory, only for the duration of a single function execution. But local variables with the static prefix retain their value until all the controller's RAM is cleared, just like global variables. Thanks for watching, and see you later.